Okay, guys. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. So I am on the ITP or itpro.top website. This is on my laptop. So this is how I do it. You can do it on your phone if you want, but I prefer to do things on my laptop. But you might have a better view on your phone too. But anyway, so I started with $119 3 days ago, I think it is. And if you notice down here, you can see my balance is $126.14 because I have been coming on daily and clicking the single start quantization button. So that gives the AI the what should I say, the command to go out and find the trades for me. If you look here, today is the 8th of November 2023, and it's saying 1726 because it's 1726 in Seattle. It is now 8:26 my time. So Seattle is 3 hours behind me. Now I've already gone and done some clicks, and it's whilst I'm doing those clicks that I said, oh, you know what, let me just stop and do this video just in case somebody needs the direction. If you notice here, it tells you my total earnings. So this is what I've earned totally since I've started clicking. And for today, I've done 4 clicks already. See it, out of my 5, I've done 4 clicks, and this is what I earned based on the 4 clicks that I have done. And if you notice here, it tells you out of my $119 how much I have, because then come tomorrow it should start compounding. So my 72 hours wait time would be up then, and then so it starts compounding for me thereafter. So I have one more click to do, and before I do that, so let me go, see if I can go down the screen so you can see a bit more of what the screen looks like. I'm on G1 because I just started, and you might have heard that this goes up to, I think it's G8. I am presently on G1 because I just started. To move up to G2, I will need to introduce 5 persons to this opportunity. And if you notice down here, it tells you the minimum that I could have come in with and the maximum amount that I can come in with is $20,000. But here, as it says, $100 is the minimum to come in, but you want to put in a little bit more so that when it comes through via the exchanges, if there's any fees, which there will be, it doesn't eat out of your $100 because you want to make certain that you have $100 there to do your trading with. That's the minimum you should have there to start. All right, and it tells you on G1 here the amount of times that I can click to do the quantization. There's 5 times on the G1. As you go up the other levels, you will get more time to click. All right, so I'm gonna go back up and back up to the top here. So if I click on this button here, it will show me the records of what quantitative records I have based on the quantization that has been done. And if I click on that, it will tell me my level as well. But anyway, so now I'm going to click for my last one so you can see what happens when I do that. So I've clicked, and as I've clicked, it shows you the panel has started processing. It's starting the quantification here. So it's gonna go out and it's gonna search for coins to buy on a particular exchange, and then it's gonna go and sell it on another exchange for a higher price so that I can make a profit. So it's now in a queue, so it's looking. It's starting to capture the prices on various exchanges. All right. Sorry. All right. Yep, still capturing the information here. And it says it's executing a buy of AVAX coin on Coinbase. So it's buying a coin on Coinbase, AVAX, and now it's executing a sell order of that same coin on KuCoin. All right, and it's finished doing what it's doing, and it's now starting to allocate me my commission, and that's the same way, and it's completed. And see, you notice it's now reflected up here when it's finished doing what it's doing. Now you notice there's 0. I don't have any more clicks to do today, no more trades to do today, because I've done my 5 and my money. I have no money there that I can use up. Yep, so it's finished my trade for the day, and that's it. That's all that you have to do. On a daily basis, you come in and do that. So it's just like you would go on an exchange on a daily basis to go and do your trade. The only thing is, you are not physically doing this with all your emotions involved. It is the AI that's doing it for you. So I hope this was of benefit to you. Down the bottom here, you have your navigational tabs, which you can navigate to various parts of your back office, so to speak. If you click on that, you will see the team, that's those that you invited in. If you click on assets, you will see how much money you have in and what is there to be withdrawn. If you haven't started doing your quantization, and in mine you will have lots of different deals or benefits that they've put there for you that you can take advantage of. Yeah, we'll go through that another time. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. I am now going to stop my recording, and hopefully I'll see you another time. La la la.